So for today's video, it's pretty simple. You only need like 4 items apart from the balloons. So I got some heart-shaped foil balloons or mylar balloons off of Amazon. So I'm using 4 different colors. I have red, I have pink, I have like a purple lavender type of shade, and I also have silver. So those are the 4 colors I'll be using today, and I'm going to be inflating using my hand pump. And I have some gaffer's tape and also some clear scotch tape. Okay, so now that I have my balloon inflated, this is where the scotch tape comes in. Basically, all I'm going to be doing is tucking this tail that you see, because you don't want that hanging out on your balloon when you put them on the wall. So I'm basically gonna be tucking it using just a little piece of scotch tape. Don't pull the tape too far back, because then you'll start losing the shape of the heart, and you don't want that. So just pull the tape back and tape it, and this is how it's supposed to look. And this is how it's supposed to look from the back. Okay, you guys, so this is how the wall turned out. How cute is it? Like come on now, it's super cute. I really love it. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see the full montage and some edited pictures of the full wall. But thank you guys so much for tuning into today's tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and also leave me some comments in the comment section below. Let me know how you feel about this video. Let me know if it was helpful. Let me know if you think it's cute. I want to know everything. But I'll definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh, you are not gonna believe this. I know, right?